The village elders, church leaders, youth members, staff from the PA's office, staff from Ministry for Agriculture, staff from my ministry, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bulavinaka, and a very good day to you all. It is indeed a privilege for me to be back again here in Ovulau for this empowerment training for our youths and to hand over the grants as well. At the outset, I wish to thank the village elders for a warm welcoming ceremony and would like to say, Vinakavakalibu. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very hopeful that you will all make an equal contribution and participation through this empowerment training. This training, which is known as the Empowerment Training on Climate Change, will ensure that the youth participants are trained and empowered to tackle climate change issues and its impacts. In doing so, we are also empowering young Fijians to utilize their skills as a source of sustainable livelihood opportunity. This program is in line with the Youth Capacity Building Program, which the Ministry utilized to empower and enhance the youth's knowledge on socio-economic development and provide various technical skills and training offered as part of the Youth Development Program. Ladies and gentlemen, this workshop training has come in the middle of challenging times for all of us. Globally, we have been badly affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. However, despite the impact of this pandemic, it has also enabled us to rethink how we do things and how we approach new and innovative ways of moving forward. Many individuals, and in particular our youth, find it difficult to secure employment due to the impacts of this COVID-19 pandemic. Therefore, the government is committed in providing workshops such as this and short courses to individuals to upskill so that they are able to find employment in different areas. The ministry, through our non-formal education program, has provided many youths an opportunity to be employed and sustain their livelihoods over many years. This non-formal education program includes carpentry training, empowerment skills training, and agriculture training. Therefore, we seek to maximize the potential of our youths and provide them with an avenue to achieve their goals in life. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji Face government, through the Ministry of Youth and Sports, is determined to strengthen the youth sector in Fiji. And I must tell you, that is why I'm here in person. I could have sent my director, I could have sent my permanent secretary to do this. But I personally wanted to come and visit the youth and talk to you directly, face to face, and find out what are your issues, what are your grievances, how as a government we can assist you during this difficult time. Ladies and gentlemen, I also hope that these short courses will enable you to achieve your goals and aspirations. Please encourage other youths to take up courses to have a purpose-driven life. Your government is committed to an inclusive policy for all Fijians. On the other hand, ladies and gentlemen, I'm also very pleased to hand over to the 3 youth clubs the farming tools such as spades, forks, materials for the greenhouse, and seedlings, just to name a few. This will add value to what you are already doing in your farms. The materials and seedlings that I will hand over today will assist the 3 youth clubs, and I've been told that 58 youths will benefit out of this project involved in farming for family, food security, improve livelihood in the community, create employment opportunities, improve the youth and community bond. And very most importantly, it will discourage the youth from engaging in unlawful activities and, of course, serve as a source of income. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to extend my appreciation and acknowledgement of the other stakeholders who have provided seedlings to help these youths as well. We have a youth officer who is stationed in Lavuka, where a major focus is to identify and support our youth's need and create awareness regarding the ministry's program and activities. Before, we used to operate from Suva, HQ. Now we have got 2 assistant youth officers based here in Overlau to look after the youths of this area. Please make use of them. At this juncture, I would also like to thank the landowners for their understanding in allowing the land to be utilized by the youths of this area. And on behalf of the government, I want to say Vinaka Vakalevu to all the landowners who have given their consent to these youth clubs to do the farming. I also urge our youths to learn new skills and continue to upgrade yourself, because that is what now is required in these difficult and challenging times. With those words, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all the best and wish you well in your future endeavors. Vinaka and thank you.